Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 3, the 6th lesson, manually grouping pivot table and data. So with the Sales Pivot Data Grouping Workbook open, select any cell between anywhere in the range. We're going to insert, click the Insert tab, Pivot Table, click OK. We now have a new pivot table. Select the date, amount paid, and payment type checkboxes. In the pivot table fields task pane, grab the payment type from the rows to the columns. You can see ours looks like that one. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. The months option is already selected for you. Add the year selection as well. Right-click any data value in the pivot table. Click Group. Click the Years option, and then click OK. The date rows are now grouped by both year and month. You can expand and collapse the groups to see the rows at different levels of detail. Click the Collapse button for the month of January and February. So we're going to collapse January. We're going to collapse February. Click the Expand button for the month of February. Just showing you how you can do these things. Right-click any month in column A. I'm going to right-click on March. And click Expand Collapse, and then collapse entire field. Okay. Mark as answered. Go to the next one. Right-click any date value and click Ungroup. So we're going to right-click, Ungroup. Right-click any date value in the pivot table and click Group. With the months option selected, click the Quarters and Years option. Quarters and Years options, so that all three are selected, and then click OK. Notice the lowest level of data is now at the month level, even though the task pane shows date in the rows area. Also notice two new items in the rows area, years and quarters. You can see those over here. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select the Sheet 2 tab. Press and hold the Control key and then click each of the following row labels. Bike tour, car rental, cruise, flight, hotel, nature tour, and rock climbing. Release the Control key and then right-click any of the selected row values and click Group. Select the Flight plus Car Rental label. Flight plus Car Rental label. Hold the Control key and then click on each of the following. Holding Control, we're going to click Flight and Cruise, Flight and Hotel, Hotel and Car Rental. Release the Control key, right-click any of those and group those. Select cell A7 where it says Group 1, and we're going to enter a single booking. Select cell A15, and we're going to multiple. The screen should look similar to the following. I believe mine does. Mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. And you can see mine still has issue with creating the pivot table, marking it wrong. Hopefully yours is doing it right. I know I did it right. I got a pivot table. It's just an issue with my version of Excel. So this completes manually grouping pivot table data.